Hello everyone. So let's today we'll see how basically ABAP system or as for ABAP system you can add into Eclipse for the development purpose. So let's see, we'll go into the system. Okay. So this is a remote SAP S4HANA ABAP system. Okay, and this is the Eclipse shortcut key. Okay, which is already installed in this server. So if you click on this, okay, you will see this is the kind of screen would be there. Okay, so how basically you can connect with your ADT, that is Eclipse. Okay, IDs. So let's see here, there is one option here, open perspective. Either you can go here or you can have an option here under window, you can see perspective. Okay, you can open, you can go other. If you go other, you can see here so many perspectives are there, like ABAP, BW, okay, HANA modeling, so many. Okay, even by default that is HANA administration console also is there, right? So we will go for the ABAP. Okay, so click ABAP and click open. So this is how it is going to open. You can see it is opened here. Or another way, you can go here, okay, and you can see ABAP project. Both way you can use it. See here. So either you can select this one and next and next, and now here you have to give the detail about the client and all. So this is the classical S4HANA. You can see the client is 100. So you can put it over here like 100 client. Okay, and the password, you have to give the username and password. So let's come into here and I'll show you the password basically. So we will have, this is the user ID and password. So user ID is, let me check here, this is the user ID. Okay, so hold on. So this is the user ID and password also there. So put it here. Yes, click next. So now you can see it is, click finish. So now you can see your system is connected. So just you can go here and again you can go perspective here, have a perspective. Okay, let's see, open again. You can see here, see it is connected over here. So just double click over here, you can see. So all the packages and all the objects would be available here. So if you double click over here, so your ABAP system basically are connected with your Eclipse for ADT. So you can see all your objects, source code and tables, programs, enhancement, dictionary objects, everything you could see here, it is available here. So this is how we are quickly connect the ABAP system with your Eclipse. So please like and subscribe. If in case any questions, please comment me. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.